Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Roblox and signing into the account you want to secure. Once logged in, navigate to Settings, then Security and select Passkeys. This starts the creation flow. Make sure you have your authentication device nearby, either the laptop's TPM-enabled hardware, an external security key, or your phone acting as a key. You'll be guided to verify identity with a PIN or existing 2FA. This step ensures Roblox can bind a cryptographic credential to your account for passwordless sign-ins. Once prompted, give the passkey a clear name so you recognize it later, and choose whether it's tied to this device only or usable across devices. Then confirm registration by completing the device prompt. Use biometric scan, local PIN, or your phone's vendor app to approve. The browser will exchange cryptographic keys with Roblox. This creates a public credential stored server-side and a private key kept on your device. After a short moment, you'll see a success message and the passkey listed under Secure. To sign in, choose Passkey on Roblox's login screen, then approve the authentication prompt on your device. Touch, face scan, or enter PIN. If approval fails, make sure the browser has security key and credential access enabled, that your hardware key is inserted or phone unlocked, and that your OS and browser are up to date. If problems persist, remove and re-register the passkey and keep recovery options active. Linked email, phone number, or a secondary 2FA method to regain access quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.